Okay, hello. I'm using new software today, and I'm recording it the second time because before I didn't test what I'm recording, and it gave me some echo. So I'm using OBS, which seems to be better. I mean, I like the fact that I can set up multiple things here, and I have control over what sources I'm actually using in my screen, and it's free. I like that as well. Okay, so today it's day 2, let's say, of my recording things, and I was promising you, or at least I told you, that I will actually talk about Stripe and I will have it implemented maybe today, although I didn't do much work. I was at the doctor's and we've spent some time with my wife, but I will basically show you how my payments are set up, what's the idea here. And I basically have this pricing page that I just this was AI, totally AI based on, vibe coded. And I will try to make it into this kind of design. I found this on Dribble. It's a website where people post that kind of nice things. And yeah, I have this stuff. I have some FAQs. And so I just have to build that kind of thing that will sell my application. And yeah, so this is I need to have one of those pages, and basically my I already have some basic page obviously set up, although I just need to make it nicer and more salesy and stuff. Although the funny thing, ages ago I was actually doing a product like this. And first I kind of whipped a quick page, black and white page like this, just made it myself, and I was selling it for a while, and it was making a couple of $100 every month, which was pretty good. And then I gave it to a designer, and he made something like I just showed you, something really pretty, and we redesigned our page and launched it, sort of updated it, and it started making less money. So I don't know, maybe I should make it black and white, or A/B test stuff. But that's the future, obviously. I will be testing, in a future video how those pages are performing, because I'm planning to actually pay money into this being promoted as well. So there will be some I think I'm planning about $200 or $300 per month to actually promote my product, depending how much I can scrape off my how much money I'm not going to spend on my daughter's violin lessons, and I will just spend it on promoting here on Google. So yeah, because I mostly vibe coded my my Stripe integration, I asked it to actually give me this. This is so basically there is a backend implementation of my payments. Yeah, so it's managing subscription plans, and there is some setup on the backend within my models, where it's really cool stuff. Actually, there is quite a lot that I wrote for me, but it actually created things that I didn't think that I actually know. I didn't really know about creating those subscription plans, so it actually created lots of really cool integrations. So I was just saying I want to have free plans, I want to sell in euros maybe, and I specified quite a lot, I think, for that, although it actually made a lot of good work for me. And what I liked, actually, I had this plan mode where I was planning it, and we were just chatting about how it should be, what's the route to actually get those payments, and some errors obviously I see. And basically I'm still integrating that, but I've actually been just checking it when I recorded this video for the first time, that my pricing page, it's kind of working. So let me just try to buy it. So I gonna make shit up. This is my real email, so don't send crap there. And I think there you can, this is also, it doesn't matter. Are you gonna hack my card? Can you hack my card? Just knowing the last 4 digits and expiry date? Probably not. Let's just, I don't want to hide these things. I don't want to be blurring it later. Let's hope you're not gonna be able to do that. Card holder's name. That's my name actually. Oh, these are some cards. Yeah, I'll have to I will blur it later. And I live in Poland, and I live on 99, wherever. This is made up address, so like at least this one I won't have to save. Okay, let's just start a trial. So you paid for the trial, and now you can be using it for 14 days for free. But you already left me your card number. So like this is the process, you know. Like you can sign up. Although like maybe I should make it when you sign up. After you sign up, then you are actually forced to actually use your card if you want to use it. And then like after 14 days it starts paying. You can just cancel it, obviously. Some people do that, some people forget that. But there is one bug on my deployed version, and so this is my rendered deployed version. I will later add some domain to that. And when you go directly, it gives you right content. But when I do it again, it just says not found. So this is React Router doing something silly, which I've never actually seen in my career, maybe, or I don't remember actually having that bug. So I might actually try to find what's wrong with my router, or maybe I will use Tanstack router. I will probably have to recreate this routing thing, or maybe I can fix it somehow. So I just have I have an account here, probably, do I? Or maybe, yeah. Oh, not found. Again, yeah, so that's the problem. I have to, it's not working. But I have it locally. Okay, let's just have it locally. Localhost. And there's, yeah, so then when you pay, obviously, okay, so I forgot that. So when you pay, you have your pricing page, create checkout session. Okay, so there's backend stuff, subscription, create checkout session, Stripe checkout. So yeah, I actually showed you that, and successfully we paid, although my redirect doesn't work, and then it should redirect to the front end, although this didn't really work. I think I have some billing pages set up, although I have to do some testing here. And let's see because I did a payment. Let's see if it's gonna show on Stripe. So I have my sandbox. I have my sandbox with products. So there are those 3 products that you've seen on the other page. I've got my subscriptions. Let's see if there are any subscriptions. No subscriptions found. So maybe my subscription event didn't go through. And what's this? There's nothing here. So basically my payment didn't go through, maybe, or didn't really work. So I have still plenty of testing here, and you know, the Stripe, I think it's very promising, although I didn't make it work yet. Yeah, so this is actually day 2 for me, which makes me happy that I actually stuck for 2 days to recording dailies. So it's 28 days to go. And yeah, I like this OBS thing, although like first time I didn't retest it properly. So hopefully it will serve me well. Thanks for watching. So let's see how it goes forwards. I will be trying to promote those videos. So I put like a couple of, like $2 every day to promote that. Let's see how it goes. Maybe I shouldn't say that. Okay, yeah, so thanks for watching. Subscribe to my new channel that I created yesterday. And yeah, see you tomorrow if you are there. Thank you.